Hi viewers, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Free Classes for All. And today I am decided to share a video based upon all the mails and proofs that I got selected. I already done that I got selected. I showed all the mails, but I decided that I need to share all the mails from starting to till end. I'll share all the mails, including onboarding, include pre-session of training. I include all the mails. This video is based upon one comment because one person kept comment that he didn't got the same mails. That's why. So I need to say something for you. Who asked a doubt in comment section. I'll solve the doubt. Just think one, the onboarding procedure will be same. If they will, sometimes the Byju's has so much, they have so much work, your recruiter has so much work, and they will sometimes forget based upon the burden. So just you got congratulations mail, you said, so just keep or send a mail to them because you got congratulations, but due to you didn't send any mail regarding onboarding. Just keep mail to them and try to remember that, because sometimes they will forget. No, we need to be like, we need to be ambitious to get mail from them. So that's why please send mail to them, because I please give the date on onboarding procedure, and please send the mail regarding onboarding procedure, and also they will send the instructions mails to you. Okay, for the clear clarifications, I don't know the exact doubt you have, because you mentioned about just I didn't get the same mail, but I didn't understand what the exact question you have been asked. But what I understood, that I have been solved that. But no problem. In this video, in particular in this video, I'm showing all the mails that I got from starting to till end. So by seeing this video, you get clear idea, you will get clear idea, and ask the doubt in the comment section. And don't, I'll not provide any Instagrams or any contact number, but just ask your doubt in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to solve your doubt, and I'll definitely upload a video by clearing your doubts. No problem, don't worry. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Okay guys, from starting to from ending, I'm showing all the mails. This video is only for that. If anybody want regarding interview preparations or regarding any onboarding procedures, I have already done a video. You can go and check that videos. If anybody just want to know how the mails they sent, just this video is for them. Okay guys, this is the first email I got. I have been applied I think 3 or 4 months before, because they have so many applicants, they have been applied, so that's why it takes so much late. But don't worry, be patient, because patience is the good quality of a human being. So be patient, definitely will get mail. After getting, daily check your mail, but don't be neglect, because somebody will not check mail regularly. But be conscious and to check your mail regularly. Okay, this is the mail I got from them. This is the first mail, because they tried to call me but it was unable to connect. So they sent me mail. You can see here, I already shown this particular mail in the previous videos also, but this video is only particularly from first mail to the last mail. Please don't worry, I'll solve all your doubts. Okay, this is the first mail. You can see here, this is the first mail I got from them, and I will show one by one. Okay, let's see. Don't skip this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's start our video. Okay, here you can see this is the second mail I got from them. This is the mail regarding the Zoom link, and I will upload another video clearly about all the details, because if you want clear idea, I need to explain more. So this is only regarding the mail. So in next video I'll upload what and the procedure of the interviewers clearly. Okay, don't, sorry for uploading lately the videos, please don't mind. This is second mail, because after sending the first mail, they asked me to send my resume, because telephonic round is there. In telephonic round, they have been given some information for me. So at that time, I have been sent my resume to them. After that, after sending my resume, the first Zoom link is that. And after this, the second mail I got, I mean, this is the second mail. And third mail I got from them is the again Zoom meeting link. It is a, I mean, third video call. I mean, third round, which is second video call round. So I mean, they given two video links for me, because for first and second video link there will be like 1 week of time. Within the 1 week they will definitely get to touch in with us. If they will not touch in with us, means if they will not contact you after the first video call, then you will not get selected. It is the thing you need to remember. Don't wait for them. Within 1 week you will not get mail about your response of first meeting. Just skip it and try for another thing. Okay guys, this is the second mail, and third mail is also regarding links, and the fourth mail I will show it is about the interview result. Okay, let's see. Hi guys, see this mail. This is the mail I got from them after my interview rounds. After my interview rounds, this is the fourth mail I got from them. This is the main mails I am showing for you. This is the fourth mail I got from them. The subject will be interview result at Byju's. They have given the job description to me regarding the packages and all about that. I'll show upload a video on particular job description on packages in another video, because the length of the video should be low so long. So that's why this is the mail of that. Then after that I got a offer letter. I will show in this video itself. Okay, let's see. Hi guys, this is my offer letter. You can see in this video, and I'll explain about my offer letter in this video. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see guys. This is the offer letter I got from the Byju's before the date of joining. Before 1 week itself, they will send after offer letter for you. You need to accept that offer letter. After that, they will send the welcome letter for you. Means it is regarding the onboarding procedure. I also that mail also. Okay, after the offer letter acceptance, this is the mail I got from them. Within the 1 day I got this mail. There will be no late. After the interview result, after your like onboarding process, it will be like day after, like that. It should not take long time to give the onboarding, and it will not take long time to giving the offer letter. That they will definitely give within the less time. Definitely they'll try to give. Okay, if they will forget, please try to send a mail for them. If you send a mail for them, definitely it will going to use. Okay, this is the mail I got from them. Here you can see some the steps they have been given. If you want in detail about this onboarding procedure, I have already done a video regarding the Byju's onboarding. You can watch that video if you want any person, or otherwise if you have any doubt regarding interview procedures, please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to ask you. See this guys, this is the pre-joining session with Byju's. This is the final mail I got from them. I can you got the clear idea regarding the mails. This is the final mail I got from them, that is regarding the pre-joining session with Byju's, because we have so many doubts. So they have been conducted pre-joining session to clear all the doubts. I have been attended that particular meeting. If you want regarding that what is the work there, if you want anything, just comment me in the comment section. I'll definitely do. Okay guys, these are all the mails I got. If you please if you have any doubts, please ask. Feel free to ask me. Don't worry, I'll definitely solve your doubts. Please, first of all, I got mail regarding my application. Second, Zoom interviews. Second, and after that, final result, and after that, onboarding. And fifth, the mail. This is nothing but pre-joining section. These are the mails I got from them. If you have any doubts, please ask me. No problem. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you'll subscribe to my channel, if I will upload any video, definitely you'll get notification. And also if you have any doubts regarding any educational related, definitely I'm going to answer for all that questions. And mainly I need to say this video is only related to the educational things, any job updates, any interview related things, any about career opportunities I'm going to discuss with you. These videos are all related to that. Okay, if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you so much.